In this question, we have to find when 1,3-dibromopropane reacted with metallic zinc, which product is formed during the reaction. So CH2Br, CH2, CH2Br is 1,3-dibromopropane. When it is reacted with zinc, ZnBr2 is formed as a product, and alkyl halide is converted to cyclopropane. So correct answer is B. This reaction is example of 1,3 elimination. Reaction takes place via single electron transfer mechanism. When alkyl halide react with AgCN, AgCN is covalent compound. Nitrogen atom is having lone pair. So now this nitrogen act as nucleophile, attack at alkyl group, X is removed, and so alkyl isocyanide is formed at the product along with alkyl halide is formed. Now if we use KCN instead of AgCN, now KCN is ionic compound, and this ionic compound is having negative charge on carbon atom. So now this carbon act as a nucleophile, and in this case cyanide is formed as a product. So for alkyl isonitrile we have to use silver cyanide, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find when 2-methylbutane is reacted with bromine in presence of sunlight, which product is formed. So when alkanes are reacted with halogen in presence of sunlight or high temperature, then alkyl halide is formed along with formation of hydrohalous acid. Now this is free radical substitution reaction mechanism. So when 2-methylbutane is taken, so now this molecule is 2-methylbutane on reacting with bromine and sunlight. Now substitution takes place at most stable radical. So first Br radical is formed. Now Br radical being extremely reactive abstract hydrogen from that carbon where most stable radical is formed. So this is radical is tertiary. So 3-degree radical is formed. Now this 3-degree radical will react to another bromine molecule to form alkyl bromide, and new Br radical will be generated. Now this Br radical will react with further alkane molecule, and reaction will continue until all the hydrocarbon gets converted to alkyl halide. So final product of the reaction is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane, 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane, and hence correct answer is D, 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane. The product of reaction of alcoholic silver nitrite with ethyl bromide. So ethyl bromide CH3CH2Br react with AgNO2. Now this molecule is having covalent bond between silver and oxygen. So now nitrogen act as nucleophile, attack at Br simultaneously. Br is removed. Now CH3 CH2 NO2 is formed as a final product. So final product is nitroethane, and hence correct answer is D. Now if KNO2 is used, now KNO2 is ionic compound, and due to ionic behavior now O negative act as a nucleophile. Hence if KNO2 is taken, then CH3ONO is formed as a product. So we have to keep in mind, then if AgNO2 is taken, then we have to form nitroethane, and if KNO2 is taken, then nitrite group is attached. Alkyl halide is reacted with metal cyanide to give an alkane isonitrile. So when alkyl halide is treated with AgCN, Now AgCN is covalent compound having covalent bond between silver and carbon. So now nitrogen act as nucleophile. So nitrogen attack simultaneously, carbon halogen bond is broken, and alkyl isocyanide, which is also called alkane isonitrile, is formed as a product. While if other metal halides are used, then due to ionic behavior of these compounds, carbon act as a nucleophile, so alkyl cyanide is formed as a product. So among given halide, AgCN give alkane isonitrile, while other cyanide KCN and BaCN2 give cyanide. In this question, we have to find missing reactant ABC in the reaction sequence. So first, if we take ethane molecule, so now ethane reacting with chlorine give ethyl chloride as a product. Now this ethyl chloride on reacting with aqueous KOH give alcohol CH3 CH2OH. Now this alcohol on oxidation give acetaldehyde, which is final product. So A is alkane, B is alkyl halide, and C is alcohol, and hence correct answer is B. The correct order of polarity of alkyl halide. So polarity of alkyl halide can be compared on the basis of electronegativity difference. Here is the difference of electronegativity between atom. Here is the polarity of bond. So in FClBrI, fluorine is most electronegative atom. So there in case of alkyl fluoride, difference in electronegativity is maximum. So alkyl fluoride bond is most polar. As electronegativity of atom is decreased, polarity of bond gets also decreased, and hence alkyl iodide is least polar molecule, and correct answer is B. Treatment of ammonia with excess of ethyl chloride. So when ethyl chloride is treated with ammonia, now ammonia act as nucleophile, donate pair of electron Cl negative is removed, and we get CH3 CH2 NH2, which is called 1 degree amine. Now this 1 degree amine will further act as nucleophile, and this will react with other molecule of alkyl halide. Now donate lone pair electron Cl negative is removed, and now this is converted to, so secondary amine is formed, CH3 CH2 NH CH2 CH3. Now still having lone pair. Now this molecule will further react with another molecule of alkyl halide. Now nitrogen donate pair of electrons Cl is removed. So finally tertiary ethyl amine is formed, which is still having a pair of electron. So this will further react with ethyl chloride, and finally tetramethyl ammonium is formed, C2H5 whole 4 and positive. Now this will react with Cl negative ion. So finally tetraethyl ammonium chloride is formed as a product. Now this reaction is called ammonolysis. This reaction is also called Hofmann exhaustive alkylation. Hofmann exhaustive alkylation. In the following sequence of reaction, we have to find final product C. So first alkyl halide CH3 CH2Br is taken. Now if normal propyl bromide is reacted with alcoholic KOH, now this reaction takes place via E2 mechanism and propene is formed as a product. So CH3CH double bond CH2, propene is formed. Now if propene is reacted with HBr, then a reaction takes place according to Markovnikov rule, and CH3 CH Br CH3 is formed as a product. Now if this is reacted with aqueous KOH, now reacting with aqueous KOH, reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism and Br is replaced by nucleophile OH, and finally we get secondary alcohol. So propane 2-ol is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following statements are correct. First, ethyl bromide react with alcoholic KOH to give ethanol. This is incorrect because ethyl bromide on reacting with alcoholic KOH react via E2 mechanism, and here alkene is formed as a product, CH2 double bond CH2. So option A is incorrect. C2H5Br when treated with metallic sodium give ethane. This is also correct. Incorrect. C2H5Br when reacted with zinc in presence of dry ether, then higher alkane is formed as a product, so it will give C4H10. This is Wurtzley reaction. When C2H5Br when treated with sodium ethoxide give diethyl ether. Yes, this is correct. When C2H5Br is treated with C2H5O negative, now this reaction is called Williamson synthesis, takes place via SN2 mechanism, and diethyl ether C2H5O C2H5 is formed as a final product. So option C is correct. While C2H5Br on reacting with AgCN give isocyanide, because carbon silver bond is covalent in nature. So now nitrogen act as a nucleophile attack, Br negative is replaced simultaneously. So final product is alkyl isocyanide. So answer D, option D is not correct, and we have to find correct option. So C option is correct. What is the correct order of reactivity of following compounds toward nucleophilic substitution? So rate of nucleophilic substitution depend on stability of carbocation. If mechanism of the reaction is not given, that reaction is taking place via SN1 or SN2 mechanism, then we compare stability of carbocation. So among the given four, most stable carbocation formed is in third case. Now this carbocation is resonance stabilized, having maximum resonance. In option 2, carbocation formed is allylic, resonance stabilized but comparatively less stable. In option 1, carbocation is only stabilized by hyperconjugation effect 2 degree. And in option 4, carbocation is least stable because it is unsaturated, and unsaturated carbocations are highly unstable. So rate of reaction is maximum in 3, then 2, then 1, and fourth is least reactive. So correct answer is C, least reactive 4, then 1, then 2, and 3 is maximum reactive. So correct option is C. 1-phenyl 2-chloropropane on treating with alcoholic KOH gives mainly. So this is the structure of 1-phenyl 2-chloropropane on reacting with alcoholic KOH. Now in presence of alcoholic KOH, E2 reaction takes place, and now this is leaving group and beta position hydrogen is removed from beta position in such a way that most stable alkene is formed. So this is the final product. So final product is 1 phenyl, 1 2 3 3 carbon in main chain. So 1 phenyl propene is formed, and hence correct answer is A. We have to find product of the given reaction. Now in presence of zinc, dehalogenation takes place. Both the halogen are removed. Reaction takes place via E2 mechanism and alkene is formed. So we have to find either cis alkene or trans alkene is formed. So we can use a simple trick, CART. If molecule is 3O and anti-elimination takes place, then cis alkene is formed. Now both Br atoms are present at opposite direction. So this configuration is called 3O. So if 3O and in E2 reaction anti-elimination takes place, the cis alkene is formed. So correct answer is B. In this reaction, we have to select dihalide, which on reacting with zinc dust give trans alkene as a product. Now this reaction takes place via E2 mechanism. So we can use simple trick TAME. If erythroalkene is taken, here E represent erythro. If erythro dihalide is taken, and here A represent anti-elimination takes place, then trans alkene is formed as a product. So if we have to prepare trans alkene, then we have to take erythrodihalide. Now erythrodihalide is that dihalide which is having both Br group on same side, and hence option A is correct. In this reaction we have to find which of the following reaction can be used to prepare Grignard reagent. So alkyl halide on reacting with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether converted to alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent. So in case of in option A, alkyl halide gets converted to Grignard reagent. If molecule is having any active hydrogen, this cannot be converted to Grignard reagent. So this molecule is having active hydrogen. Active hydrogen is the hydrogen which is directly attached with high electronegative atom. So this cannot be converted into Grignard reagent. In option C, also active hydrogen is present. Hydrogen is directly connected with high electronegative atom. So in this case, hydrogen gas is released. Hydrogen gas is released instead of formation of Grignard reagent. So correct answer is A, B and C are not correct. Chloroform reacting with concentrated nitric acid produce. So chloroform CHCl3 on reacting with nitric acid form nitrochloroform. This is the structure of nitric acid. Now H2O is removed and we get CCl3 NO2. Now this molecule is called nitrochloroform. This molecule is also called chloropicrine or tear gas, and this gas was used in World War I. So correct answer is C, tear gas.